How to recover your CRA user ID, so restoring your account. So if you want to go ahead and do this, go ahead to the website first, of course. So you can go to your preferred browser, just search for CRA, and then you'll be led into something like this. Then you're going to go ahead here to the CRA sign in. It should just directly lead you to Canada Revenue Agency. Scroll down until you find the help section. You're going to press on this, which is you forgot your CRA user ID or password. Then you'll have three options. You can access your account, you want to recover your password, or your user ID. You can choose whichever you want, but in our case, it should just be your ID. You can press on this, then you're going to have to follow these methods. So it's going to be found in the CRA user ID and password from the sign-in options. So we're going to go ahead there right now, CRA user ID and password, and the sign in to your CRA account. So once you enter something like this, you're going to press on this option over here, forgot your user ID or your password, depending on your situation. So you could either do both if that's what you're going for, but just go ahead and follow the instructions here, and then eventually you will be able to get your user ID back. But that's pretty much your options if you want to recover your user ID in your CRA. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.